are we doing today?
We're going to the farmer's market. That's where we're going. We're going to the farmer's market.
No, you're not today.
We're gonna get some honey.
And what else? Are we gonna get honey?
Some corn.
Some corn? What else? How do you know there's corn?
Some asparagus. Etc. etc.
Okay guys, so we will tune back in with you pretty soon. We're at the Dallas Farmers Market today. I heard a lot about this restaurant called Mutton Meat and Greens.
Gonna go to work at work?
I guess. One thing I love about Dallas is the sky. It's so, I don't know how to explain it or why I feel like it's different from New York, but it's always very beautiful and blue. So we're gonna get something to eat and then we are going to head over to my new office space. Maybe I'll give you guys a sneak peek of that. Huh? The Dallas Farmers Market. What do you want to eat, Mom?
I need chocolate.
Actually, oh, it has a place that Tyree and I went to. Come on, let's walk. That had cachapas. Yeah. They have talent too.
Jerky.
Ooh, all different types of jerky. The farmer's market is really fun, guys. Mommy. What food do you know? These are honeycombs. This is the cheese store. All sorts of different. This is the Caribbean spot. I think this is the only Caribbean restaurant downtown Dallas. I'm like loving the farmers market today. Buy your stuff. Okay guys, you guys know I've been obsessed with plants, so we're gonna head to Rubai's and get some plants for my office space, which I'm gonna be showing you guys later on. I am obsessed with rubber plants. These plants are so beautiful, but they just refuse to live for me because I bought two and they're dying. I love croton plants as well. These are in the Caribbean. We had a lot of these in my backyard. And those over there, the snake plants, I don't know. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with plants. Hopefully they'll start cooperating with me. This plant I love too. This is a fiddle leaf. Oh, so beautiful. downtown Dallas. We're located downtown Dallas. But this is my space. Hey, Mom.
Hey, Carrie.
This. So I'm gonna be recording, doing my classes and everything from in here. So this is pretty cool. My mom keeps running away. But yes, and this is what I love the most.
The view.
Because it's gonna keep me super focused. And so when I first moved to Dallas, I used to live in this building called the Statler. And they had so many crazy rental issues. I'll link that other video down below. I loved that apartment, but it was just so much stress living there. They have an awesome rooftop pool. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. Awesome building, but I'm so happy in the building that I'm in now. And I actually really love living downtown Dallas. I think I'll do a video about that as well. Supposed to be helping me clean.
You know.
But look, I don't know what she's
normally
doing.
people are supposed.
She's supposed to be helping me clean.
She's
She's supposed to be helping me. But look, I'm the only one cleaning. And look at what she's doing.
Normally people.
She's here taking selfies.
Normally people.
Take off your hat.
I'm speaking.
Take your hat off.
I'm speaking.
Take your hat.
Normally people sit by the beach and take a picture.
Yes, not in an office when somebody's supposed to be cleaning.
That's kind of cute. You should do that.
Goodbye, Mom. My mom is cooking.
I'm caramelizing some onion.
What are you making, Mom?
I'm just sauteing some mushrooms for our dinner tonight.
Yummy.
I'm making this ahead of the time, actually.
Yes. Oh, my candle that I got from the farmer's market. It smells so good, Renee. I'll link this this in the description down below where you can get these candles because they smell so good. Now we're back here. Wait, what red did you put in there?
Nothing red, it's just, I put a little bit of the marjoram.
Oh, is this gonna top the meat?
Roll this down. So,
There you go. Yeah, press it down.
the two.
So good, yeah.
Yeah, just let this like simmer.
So good, so good, so good. Yummy. I don't even know what she has going on here, but this is the result. And then we have some other stuff. She's adding more mushrooms and stuff. So good. Ooh, so what are we having, Mom?
It's lamb loin chops.
Ooh, lamb loin chops, guys. Doesn't that look so good? And what's this, Mom?
That's just the seasoning it's a marinade.
Oh, it's the marinade.
Oh,
So
mint
this
and
is
red onions.
Ooh, that looks so good. And you're gonna put it in here?
In the broth I'm just gonna like splash a little olive oil on this.
That looks so good. Let's see how this goes, guys. good. Mmm. Mmm. Damn, homie.